Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an awesome brand new video to share with all of you today. I'm finally going to get the chance to review the Too Faced Let It Snow Girl full face palette collection. I've been really wanting to do this video for quite a while. I ordered it, then I got sick. You can't really do a makeup look when your face is like cracked like the Grand Canyon. So I'm better now and I'm feeling better, so I want to jump into this video. The story behind this palette is insanity. You will not believe the lengths I went through to get this full collection. Let me tell you. I've been wanting this thing since October, right? So I was waiting for it to go on sale because it was originally $49 and I wasn't going to pay that for this palette. So I'm always like a budget shopper when it comes to makeup, and I like quality makeup but I don't want to pay full price, so I pretty much waited out until there's a sale. Well, Black Friday hit and it went on sale. I didn't have any money for it whatsoever, but I waited. I looked at Ulta, I went through Sephora, I went through QVC, everywhere. All pretty much sold out, right? There was nothing to be found, nothing whatsoever. It sold out so fast. I couldn't believe it. I know it's a cute palette and all, but like, I didn't know it was going to be that popular. So I thought people were going to wait for the Christmas sales or something, right? So I don't know what I was thinking. But Cyber Monday hit and I was able to get the palette from Macy's. I stayed up all night worrying about this palette. I rode the bus early in the morning because nothing was going to stop me from getting this palette. Even some of my friends saw me early in the morning and probably thought I had problems because I probably looked crazy, like, come on bus, like, get to it. I was just like, come on bus. So I put the money into my bank and I ordered the palette. Oh my god, such a relief. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. I have to show you it right now. I have never went through so much for a palette in all my life. Not even the Jeffree Star palettes, nothing can compare to what I went through with this palette. I took it out of the box because I obviously used it so far, but I wanted to show you how it looks when it comes, and I even have the box to show you. It comes in this nice festive winter looking box. We get this lovely beautiful Snow Lady palette. I thought it was super cute. Like, it just looks so cute and you get so much for your money. I have to tell you, I'm impressed. It gives you a full face look pretty much. Like, all the essentials for your full face look is right here, in my opinion. Like, you don't really need to buy anything else once you have this, so I probably won't be buying a lot of makeup for a while because I have this lovely kit, and it even has a mascara. The mascara is the Too Faced better than, that word, what happens at nighttime between two people. Yeah, better than, yeah. Anyway, you get 4 pieces in the collection. You get this lovely top part, the beautiful Snow Lady's face. This is a bronzer and highlighter. I was an idiot and I tried to pull on it. I thought it was going to come off like this, but no, it goes on a swivel. So you have to be very careful because it kind of feels flimsy and fragile. You have to move it up like this. It's called Chocolate Soleil. I think that's the name. It's a lovely mocha light tint shade. I really like this a lot. It's great for contour. If you need a light contour, this is where it's at. That's what I used today for my contour and I love it. And then the Angel Wings highlighter right here. It's a lovely, beautiful, very light but pigmented highlighter, so It gives you an angelic look. I love it. I already tried it a few times and it has been so fabulous with all the looks I've done with it. So this is very good quality right here. I'm just not a fan of the swivel. It just makes it kind of feel cheap. I'm worried that it will detach from the product, but I'm hoping that it doesn't, but I'll be like, oh my god if it does. But yeah, it has a magnet to help close it, see? So it's not going to go all crazy around. The middle of the snow lady, I don't know what she's called. I'm just going to call her a beautiful snow lady because she's beautiful. This is another swivel, as you can see, and 4 very great blushes. You have light ones and very pigmented ones. You have Snow Kissed, Pink Christmas, Merry and Bright, and Christmas Dream. All lovely shades. Well then, it doesn't want me to show you any more of the palette. It's like, you saw the names and the colors. There you go. So, you get 4 lovely blushes in the middle, so you have a wide, cute range to choose from. In this huge bottom part of the snow lady is 19 lovely shades of eyeshadow. Can you say, oh my god, that is so pretty. So many amazing colors. Some are better than others, I must say. Like the green one kinda doesn't blend too well with certain other shades. Like it gives it a muddy color, so the green I'm not too much of a fan of right here, but a lot of the shades are so great and I really love them, as you can see. 19 beautiful pigmented shimmer and matte shades. Very nice quality too. They go on light, but you can build on them. Buildable and blendable. I forgot to mention that there's a little secret to this palette. Do you know what it is? Sugar cookies. You're probably like, why sugar cookies? Like what? What is she talking about? The palette smells like sugar cookies, and a lot of people love sugar cookies, like I do. So there's a hint of sugar cookies and all of the 3 palettes. It's a cute, nice, wintry, Christmassy touch feel to it, so you can use it in the Christmas time or the winter time, so it's pretty flexible and it smells so good. It's not nasty. It's not like those other ones that smell super nasty and you can smell like a very strong chemical smell. This one's very light, nice, and feathery. It's super light. You can barely smell it. If you're not paying attention, you'll miss it. So it's kind of like an ambiance in a way when you open it. So gets you in the mood for winter festivities. The last part is the mascara, and I don't ever wear mascara really because it tends to mess up my eyeshadow look, so not a big fan when it messes up my eyeshadows, and I don't wear lashes anyway. So what's the point of wasting money on mascara when I'm not even going to use it really, but for like Halloween or something? Who knows? But this is a very cute, small, manageable bottle of Better Than What You Do at Nighttime from Too Faced. I'm not saying the word because I'm not going to get people having a heart attack over a name and YouTube being like, oh my god, you said the 3-letter word, oh my god. So, clutching their invisible damn pearls. It's a very nice, lovely mascara. It goes on so well, and one application will do it for me. Like, I didn't have to dip into it again. I just used one stroke pretty much, and it was already done in my opinion, and it was already good. Didn't have to apply any more, no less, no more. It was just right. I recommend if you find this one in the regular size at the store, you should get it because it's pretty good. Now we're going to get into some swatches that I did for all of you of the palettes, and then I'll get into my final thoughts. The first piece of the collection, this is Chocolate Sully, I believe. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's a bronzer. Put it right here on my wrist area. The highlighter is called Angel Wings. It's super pretty, as you can see, and it goes on pretty light. It's a really light highlighter, but you will be glowing in the sunlight or anywhere that you're going. It's so pretty. It's very shimmery. I'm going to go through this cute little palette right here. It's the middle palette. It has 4 blushes included. This one is Snow Kissed. Pretty light. Very subtle. This one is Pink Christmas, so it's a little bit more pigmented than the first one, but look at the nice pretty shimmer. This one is Merry and Bright. Pretty matte. There's not too much shimmer. We have Christmas Dream. That one's a matte one as well. Not too much shimmer. Those are the swatches for all 4 of the blushes that you receive in the Let It Snow palette. Which one is your favorite? I'm going to do some swatches of all the lovely shades that you get. Right here is a nice brown shade. Looks very pigmented, as you can see. Goes on pretty nice. This is a nice mocha coffee color, like right here. And that goes on really good. Nice coffee toffee color. And it's shimmer. It's a nice golden shade. Next one is Pine Cone. That one's pretty okay. Turtle Dove. Very white pigmented shade, as you can see. Goes on pretty good. It's like a skin tone shade. Once you apply it, probably like a nice highlight shade or base shade. Nothing too pigmented or drastic with that one. Snow Globe. Looks very pretty right there, but once I applied it with the eyeshadow brush, it was not very good. So maybe the secret to the palette is play with it with my fingers. I don't know, but like it looks super amazing. That's what I wanted when I did my makeup look for the Christmas party. That's what I wanted right here. That pigment, that even tone of color and glitter, not the splotchiness and mess that I made all over my corner of my eye. That's not what I want. I wanted that. So maybe I have to like just use my finger for this glitter. It seems to be the best method. Bliss Mess. Very nice teal color. It'd be super pretty with the Snow Globe shade. That's right there. Sleigh Bells. That's pretty. Kind of like a peachy toned color shimmer shade. This one is Jolly Gosh. Ooh, look at that. It's like a rustic color. Rustic golden color. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. I haven't used that shade. It's like very rustic, like rose goldish sort of tone. Moving on to Treat Yourself. Treat Yourself. Lovely emerald shade. This one is Break the Ice. That one's pretty too. That's super nice. Crumb Luck. Nice pink tone. Kind of like a matte, not so shimmery. It's Resting Wish Face. It's a lovely burgundy tone. That one's pretty cool. I wish it was like more pigmented. Cookie Butter is this one. Probably a nice base shade, like nothing too dark or drastic. This one is Toffee Cookie. Pretty brown mocha coffee color. Kind of like toffee in a way, so that's pretty cool. My favorite pigment of this one is Sugar Show. It's a nice, lovely purple shade. It's very pigmented and it's shimmery. It goes on so nice and you can build it so well. This one is Tiny Prancer. It's a golden shade. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of like a Christmas ornament. And it goes on so sheer, but you can build upon it. Key Served is a cute brown shade. Pretty good brown. Probably good for like smoky eyes. That'd be a good, I think, smoky eye color. Not too deep of a brown. It's like kind of in the middle. Those are all the swatches. I'm looking like a human disco ball. My final thoughts on the palette is that it's pretty good. I used the full palette for my face today, so you can have an idea of what it looks like. So I had some fun with some of the eyeshadow shades and used the rest of the palette for the rest of my face. So I really like it. It's worth the price. I don't think it was worth $49 in my opinion. If I paid $50 for that, I would probably be upset, to be honest. It's not that great for $50, but for $29, $29.50 around there, it's worth that price point. For $50, it better change my life. It better give me a new face. I better look like I had Botox and like some sort of like plastic surgery. I don't know. I'm not doing plastic surgery, but I'm just saying, it better change the way I look for $50. So if it's not doing that, it's kind of like not really worth that price. Some of the colors are there, they're nice, and some of them are kind of like, like they're good, but then they're not that great when you put it on, so it's like, what do I do with it? So you have to like work with it so much. A good steal for $29.50. It gives you a full complete look, and you don't have to run out and buy so many different products for your face. Like, it's a one-stop shop pretty much. There's so many different things to choose from, like the blushes and the eyeshadow, so you can have fun and play around with it for like quite a while. I will try to leave a link down below for it, but don't get your hopes up because it had sold out so fast. So we'll see how the links go. Thank you so much for watching my Too-Faced Let It Snow Girl review today. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. It's super appreciated. You're super appreciated for being here. Go down in the description and check out all the affiliate links and coupon codes so that way you can pick up something special for yourself or someone else. And I have some exciting news to announce on my channel and in a future video. So when those products come in, expect a brand new video with an exciting announcement. I'm excited because I get to do this again. I feel so grateful to be able to do this again and hopefully do it right. I want to do it right. So we'll get into that more in the future video that's showing up probably on the weekend. I don't know, it's gonna come out soon. So excited. Like, you have no idea. You have no idea what's happening. But it's gonna be big, in my opinion. So stay tuned, follow me, subscribe. While you're here, subscribe. Why not? It's free. And don't forget to press that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos. And the announcement video every Wednesday and Saturday, there's a brand new video, so go check them all out. I have previous videos and I'm going to have future videos, so check them all out while you can, and follow me on all my social media as well when I post a brand new video, because YouTube has the whole COPPA thing. So if you don't get a notification, I'll announce that a video is on my social medias because of the whole COPPA mess. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.